Hello everyone, I'm Elena from Jianzhi Casting Group. Jianzhi Casting Group is a BMI and GF fittings manufacturer based in China. Compared with other MI fittings brands with same level of quality, our brand Jianzhi with particularly good value for money. With 40 years production experience and 20 years exporting experience, now we have a professional team including 4,000 employees and 350 engineers offering the excellent services from the production to shipment. These years, we built solid cooperation with many distributors and dealers around the world. We always put our business partners' interests in the first place. Maybe we are a new supplier to you. Please kindly let me know what we can do to serve you better. And being your strategic business partner is our ultimate goal. As a regional sales manager from Jianzhi, I'm not only introducing our fittings to you which can make money for you, but also I will give you the purchase suggestion at the best time to make sure you don't overpay for your purchase plan every time. Please don't hesitate to contact me if there is any needs or questions. Thank you.